Whoa, this glue is super sticky. Awesome. Now draw.
Hey! Is that your glue gun?
What? Snap! My bad, Luna. It was an accident.
My favorite notebook! How could you be so careless?
I wasn't thinking. I'm sorry. Oh, boy. Wait. These googly eyes. They're just the right size. Give me that thing.
It's already ruined anyway. Okay.
Just watch, people. I'm about to turn this mess around. In fact, you'll thank me for it. May as well make good use of all this hot glue, right? Just look at these pretty colors. They're so nice and shiny. See? It's ready to go.
No way! This is sick! Feels pretty cool, too. Thanks!
Happy to help you, Luna.
Thank you.
One finger, people.
New ring collection. Who this? It's so beautiful.
I'll be MVP in no time. Oops.
Hey! All my new rings! How could you? Just look. It's in half. No.
Ooh, I feel terrible. But maybe I can turn this around. Yep. But first, I need the right shape. This is the right size, I hope. Looks pretty good to me. But to be sure, this cut will ensure it fits. And a beautiful rose. Pretty nice, right? Wow. Hey. Still need a ring?
Well, kinda.
Alrighty then. Let's hope it fits.
The perfect fit! Wow! Never mind.
That was awkward.
Ugh. He loves me, and I love this ring.
As long as she's happy.
Whew! Made it!
That thing is packed. And look at all those pins and patches. Where'd you get all those? My bag could use some of that flavor. Yikes. Hey,
What?
can I have one of those patches?
Really? But I love them all so much. I'm sorry, but no.
It was worth asking, I guess. But wait. I can just make my own patches with just a little bit of creative thinking. Nice. It's just the right size too, see? So cute. And so it sticks to my backpack. Safety pin power. It's just so easy. Or maybe not. Stupid flimsy paper. But my 3D pen? Not so flimsy anymore. Let's make a couple cute shapes. These are gonna look so good on my backpack. First step, done. Now comes the color. These thick lines will stand out big time. Now I can see all the little designs. Spidey heart for the win. Ever see anything like it? That's because I made it myself. And finally, my sweet, sweet strawberry. It's my favorite fruit after all. And this one looks quite juicy. Step 2 done. And now we cut. This final step is probably the most crucial. This hot glue will really make them pop. Stick right on, little guys. Things are about to get way interesting. We can't let any of that glue show. I need super clean cuts, okay? This one looks pretty good to me. Can't forget to stick on the safety pin. Nice! I did it! No more boring backpack for this guy. They look so good. But this one's my favorite. Wow! What do you think?
Wait, you just made those? Mine are so boring now. Can you make me some?
Seriously? No, these are mine. But you can borrow this.
Thanks?
Have at it.
No thanks. Aren't you just the prettiest? And your fit is even cuter. Well, almost. These? Why is nothing working? This is so annoying. In fact, forget it all.
Hey! What's your problem?
Her fit! It's so lame!
Jeez, you're really torn up. But what about that? Look at her fit. Let me see what I can do. Or let me see what this 3D pen can do. I dare you to do this with a regular old marker. Spoiler, you can't. 2 wings coming right up. Here, Luna. Hey.
What's this? For me? Or for her? Wow, so cute! Look, you're the best! Wow! This thing is crazy!
Okay, class. Are you ready to do some math problems? Let's begin.
Huh? That would be a negative.
I didn't study either.
I'll play you for it.
Oh yeah? Rock, paper, scissors!
Goodness gracious.
Well,
We keep tying. Now what?
let's play! But first, we need the pieces to toss. It'll just take me a couple of minutes here. And just like that, it's starting to look like something. See how I'm filling in the empty space? Just put the bead inside of it, then close it right up. But there's still one more step. Careful, this thing's hot. Perfect for smoothing things out. No ugly, rigid lines here. Smooth as butter, baby. See? It's ready to play with now. The triangle. I made a whole bunch. See?
No way! We can play?
Yep. May the best student win. Got it! Wow!
Is it ready?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay, I got him! Oh boy, here they come! But I only got one.
Enough horsing around.
Don't worry, he's coming.
Me? Aw, stupid rotten luck. I have to do them all?
No games allowed.
Okay.
What interesting little morsels.
Okay.
All done. Hey, you're playing our special game?
Oh, no. I mean, go back to your desk.